The possible resignation of Advocate Terry Motau from the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry has raised questions about Commission's independence, with political analysts warning that his departure could open the door for further instability. Motau, the Commission's chief evidence leader, confirmed to the City Press that he had requested to step down but declined to provide reasons, saying the matter was not yet finalized. He has reportedly been asked to reconsider and is expected to give feedback soon. His exit, if confirmed, could delay the Commission's work as a replacement will need to be appointed. President Cyril Ramaphosa established the inquiry in July with a mandate to probe criminal syndicates allegedly infiltrating and corrupting South Africa's criminal justice system. Ramaphosa instructed the Commission to deliver its first report within 3 months. The inquiry was triggered by explosive claims from KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Ndledla Mkhwanazi. He alleged that the criminal actors had infiltrated law enforcement, interfered in investigations into high-profile political killings in the province, and even compromised politicians and members of the judiciary. Mkhwanazi further accused Police Minister Senzo Mchunu of improperly disbanding the political killings task team, possibly under corrupt influence. Mchunu has strongly denied the allegations. Political analyst Zakhele Ndlovu described Motau's potential resignation as shocking, given that the Commission is barely a month old, and said without him giving us the reason for quitting, it leaves us speculating. Some people think he could have been threatened. We may never know the truth. While Ndlovu warned the move may dent the Commission's credibility, Professor Sipho Siepe struck a more pragmatic tone, arguing that the inquiry should be prepared for such setbacks. No individual is indispensable. Delays caused by resignations should be factored into any proper planning. We should brace ourselves for such hiccups. Independent crime expert Mary Diaz downplayed the impact, saying other senior evidence leaders could step in to fill the gap. The Umkhonto we Party suggested Motau may have faced political interference and said he is now finding himself presiding over political sensitive issues, warning that his possible exit could undermine the Commission's integrity. Motau, a respected silk, is widely known for leading the investigation into VBS Mutual Bank scandal. His 2018 report, The Great Bank Heist, uncovered nearly 2 billion rand in looted funds and became a landmark in exposing large-scale corruption in South Africa's financial sector. His potential departure from Madlanga Commission will therefore mark the loss of a high-profile figure with proven experience in tackling complex corruption cases. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.